after doing my novel, but but it's not, but it's already written only 8 pages, still 8 pages.
Is that
And I hope
fiction or what kind of
novel from my experience, life experience.
Okay.
But with Kaya Gibran style of style of writing.
So you are going to mix the story and the
Yeah,
poem all
yeah,
together.
of my experience, life experience, but with Khalil Gibran way of writing. You know that when he wrote something, he not write it immediately to the meaning, but he some kind of kiasan, metaphor like that. Ya seperti itu penumpang internasional malam.
Actually, in my opinion,
Yeah.
poem somehow is really powerful, but it's only have become powerful when it's become the culture of one society. So I mean, for example, like in Aceh, when politicians they wanna campaign or something, they are going sometimes those